Welcome back to Daco, your go-to place for inspiring home garden design ideas that bring beauty and comfort into your everyday life. Today, we're stepping into the charming world of rustic farmhouse gardens, where simplicity meets warmth and nature takes center stage. Imagine a garden filled with weathered wood, soft greenery, and cozy corners that feel like a countryside retreat. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small outdoor nook, this style can transform your space into something truly magical. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Daco, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Now let's explore how to create rustic farmhouse beauty in your own garden. At the heart of a rustic farmhouse garden is the use of natural materials. Think reclaimed wood, aged stone, and raw textures that tell a story. These elements bring authenticity and a grounded feel to your outdoor space. Wooden fences, gravel paths, and stone borders can instantly set the tone. The imperfections, cracks, faded colors, and rough finishes are what make the space feel warm and lived in rather than polished and artificial. Try incorporating handmade or repurposed items like wooden crates, barrels, or old ladders. These pieces not only add character but also serve as functional decor for plants and garden accessories. A rustic farmhouse garden isn't just for looking, it's for living. Creating cozy seating areas allows you to fully enjoy the atmosphere you've built. Think wooden benches, wicker chairs, and soft cushions in neutral tones. Layering textures is key here. Combine linen throws, burlap accents, and weather-resistant fabrics to create a space that feels inviting and comfortable throughout the day. Position your seating near greenery or under a shaded pergola for a peaceful retreat. Add a small table for tea or coffee, and you've got the perfect countryside-inspired relaxation spot. Rustic farmhouse gardens shine through their warm, earthy tones. Shades like soft browns, muted greens, creamy whites, and dusty grays create a calming and cohesive look. Avoid overly bright or artificial colors. Instead, let nature guide your palette. Weathered finishes and sun-faded hues blend beautifully with the surrounding plants and soil. You can introduce color through flowers, textiles, or painted furniture, but always keep it subtle and harmonious. The goal is to create a soothing environment that feels timeless. Unlike formal gardens, rustic farmhouse spaces embrace a more relaxed and natural planting style. Let plants grow freely, with a slightly wild and untamed appearance. Mix herbs, flowers, and greenery together. Lavender, rosemary, daisies, and wild grasses work beautifully. This layered look adds depth and texture to your garden. Raised beds, clay pots, and wooden planters can help organize your plants while maintaining that rustic charm. It's all about balance between structure and natural growth. Adding vintage decor is one of the easiest ways to enhance the farmhouse feel. Old watering cans, antique tools, and metal buckets can become eye-catching features. Handmade items also play a big role. Whether it's a DIY birdhouse, a hand-painted sign, or a custom planter, these pieces bring a personal touch to your garden. Don't worry about everything matching perfectly. The beauty of rustic design lies in its collected and curated look, where each item has its own story. Lighting can completely transform your garden, especially in the evening. Rustic farmhouse gardens benefit from warm, soft lighting that enhances their cozy atmosphere. String lights, lanterns, and solar-powered lamps are perfect choices. Hang them along fences, wrap them around trees, or place them on tables for a gentle glow. The goal is to create a magical, welcoming space that invites you to stay longer outdoors. Soft lighting adds depth and highlights the textures that make your garden special. Rustic farmhouse garden design is all about creating a space that feels warm, natural, and deeply personal. With the right materials, textures, and thoughtful details, you can turn any outdoor area into a cozy retreat. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about comfort, authenticity, and connection to nature. Take your time, experiment, and let your garden evolve into a reflection of your style. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Daco, give it a like, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your ideas and experiences. See you in the next video.